So today we're going to look at a number line and using a number line to solve problems with integers and primarily answers that we get that are negative numbers. And really the easiest way that I think to look at negative numbers and to make it really concrete is to look at temperature. Now if we look at a thermometer, basically a thermometer is simply a number line turned on its side. So we're going to look at a problem right now. The problem that we're going to look at is, let's say the temperature outside was 4 degrees and then the temperature dropped by 9 degrees. What do we do? So we all know you can't take 9 away from 4, right? Wrong. We just need to know that your answer will be less than 0. So let's go back to our problem. Remember, it was 4 degrees and it dropped 9 degrees. Let's look at what that looks like. So we start off at 4 and we take away 9. 4 degrees, it dropped 9 degrees. Now we have our problem. So let's look at the number line for this. So when we're looking at our problem, we're always going to want to start at 0 and then go either left or right. Well, if we look at the 4, there's no sign in front. And we've been doing this for years. We know if there's no sign in front, it's going to be positive. So starting at 0, we're going to go to the right 4. Now, what's going to change here is with our minus, okay, we know that means to the left. So we start at 4. We're going to count over first. So we're going to start at 4, counting to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's look at what that looks like. So we're going to take our arrow and come all the way over here and double check. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Bam, takes us to -5. So our answer then, if it's 4 degrees, the temperature drops 9 degrees. The new temperature is going to be -5 degrees. What does that mean? Well, if we look at our number line still, it says 0, so we're actually 5 degrees less than 0. So hopefully you're getting the hang of this. Let's do another problem. Let's say this time we're going to look at 3 minus 7. Same thing we're going to do as before. So we're going to start at 0 and we're going to go to the right 3 because our number is positive. Anytime it's positive or plus, we go to the right. And once again, negatives and minuses go to the left. So we're going to go to left how many, everybody? That's right, 7. So let's count it out. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's your answer, -4. Hopefully this is getting easy for us. Let's keep practicing. All right, so I think we're really starting to get the hang of this. Let's do another problem, but let's put our order a little bit differently. This time we're going to start with a negative number, -3. And to our -3, we're going to add 5. Let's see what this does to our problem. So we're always going to start at 0, just as always, and let's start there. But in this time, we're not going to go to the right 3, we're going to go to the left 3. This negative sign in front of 3 tells us we go to the left. So once again, we're going to start at 0 and we're going to go to the left 3. So there we are. Now, with our with the second part, it's going to be adding 5. See this plus sign right here? Once again, plus tells us go to the right. So we're going to start at our -3 and we're going to go to the right 5. So let's count this out, everybody, together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we go. Our answer is a +2. Okay, last problem. Let's see if you've got this figured out yet. I'm going to give you one more, and you're going to do this on your own. The problem this time is going to be -7, and to that -7, you are going to go ahead and add 3. You're going to do this on your own. I'll give you some time, and we'll come back and see how you did. Time's up. Let's start at our -7. So we always go with 0, and if it's -7, we're going to go to the left 7. Right there, -7. Now, to our -7, what we need to do now is add 3. So we're going to start right back at -7, and we're going to go to the right 3. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. If you gave an answer of -4, pat yourself on the back. You've got this figured out. Good luck, and I'll see you later.